Good morning, dear students. Welcome to 11th class English. Today, you are going to learn Unit 2 Prose, The Queen of Boxing is written by M.C. Mary Kom. What is your favorite sport? Do you play any sport? Have you won any medals? What are the levels to be accomplished to become an international sports person? Comparing with men and women, women's contribution in sports is considerably less. Even facing several difficulties, some women have been achieving in sports. Today, you are going to learn about an autobiography of Mary Kom. An autobiography is a self-written account of the life of oneself. Mangte Changnichang Mary Kom is a boxer. As a school girl, she used to play a varieties of sports, hockey, football and athletics. She was inspired by Manipuri boxer Dingo Singh, who won a gold at the Asian Games in 1998. She won the first silver medal in Pennsylvania, USA in 2001. She is the only woman boxer had won medal in each one of the 6 world championships. She was honored with the Padma Shri in 2010 and the Padma Bhushan in 2013. She wrote her autobiography Unbreakable in 2013. Soon after her Bangkok championship, she was selected in the 48 kg category for the International Boxing Association. That is, the Association International de Boxe Amateur, the IBA. It was World Women's Boxing Championship held in Pennsylvania, USA in November to December 2001. Her father was able to collect only rupees 2,000 for her trip. She was upset and worried because she had heard that things were expensive in America. Hearing that, she thought that the parents and she could do nothing for the expenses. She had spoken to Onler this problem through her friend. Onler had invited a few students and elders, asked them to meet the 2 members of parliament to seek their help. The 2 MPs donated rupees 5,000 and rupees 3,000 respectively. She had 10,000 in her hand at that time. Along with that sum, she had collected some more from the people. Then she had gone to USA. Therefore, she decided that she would not return empty-handed before people. Pennsylvania was cold and beautiful. It was snowy everywhere. The people were good. It was her first trip that she had traveled so far. She was eager to visit America, but they were the last team, so they went to sports arena straight from the airport. The other team had already completed their waiting, which is compulsory to all players. She was tired because a long flight through different time zones. It was morning when she left, and again it was morning when she arrived. She was the luckiest person for not having match on that day, whereas her other teammates had match on the same day. She felt that she was so lucky to rest herself and ready to face her opponent. She had no fear to face her opponent. She competed in the 48 kg championship and reached to the finals, while her teammates lost their match. She felt that was the place and event which could change her life. She was telling herself that she could face anyone in the match. In the quarter and semi-final, she had defeated Nadia Homke of Poland by RSC, also defeated Jamie Behel of Canada by 21-9. She reached the finals but lost to Hula Shaheen of Turkey by 13-5. The reason for her defeat was loss of hunger. She was not used to the food there. She tried as she might to eat. Even though she could not eat and started to lose weight. She was just 46 kg before finals. That was also the reason, in addition to her dream of winning gold. Therefore, she was disappointed and cried. But the coaches were kind. They consoled and appreciated her for winning silver. That championship gave her confidence to confront any boxer. Students, let me recall you back what you have just learnt in this class. Mary Kom was selected in the 48 kg category for the IBA. Her father could collect only rupees 2000 and with the help of 2 MPs, she had rupees 10,000 and little more from people. She left for the USA. She had decided to win for the people who had helped her. Pennsylvania was cold. They were the last team had entered into the sports arena. She was tired because of a long flight through different time zones. In quarter and semi-final, she had defeated Nadia Homke of Poland by RSC, also defeated Jamie Behel of Canada by 21-9. She lost to Hula Shaheen of Turkey by 13-5. She was not used to the food there. She was just 46 kg before finals. She was disappointed and cried. Her coaches consoled and appreciated her for winning silver. That championship gave her confidence. Thank you, dear students.